guys, welcome back to my channel. How's it going? I hope everybody is well. Today is super exciting because we've got an unboxing and it is Roccabox. Roccabox is £10 a month plus £3.95 postage and packaging, and it always comes in a pink doodad, so I know that that is Roccabox. This is the box. It is white with beautiful gold, rose gold embossed on the top. My light has just gone. There we go. I'm just going to get into it, so I'm going to open it and try not to look. Oh, that fell out. That's a thing, and this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Is it worth it? Does it look good? Am I going to be excited? Right, so let's have a look. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to read the card first because I'm super excited. There is this little card as well, and it says on the other side of it, "Thank you for all your support in our first year. Love from Tia and the Roccabox team." So it's so lovely. And then we've got this card which has got a cake on it, which just makes me hungry, and I've not had any breakfast and it's 11:15. Oh, okay. Hello lovelies. Well, it's March, which means it's our first birthday. Yes, Roccabox is 1 this month. How did that happen? To celebrate a year of bringing you the best beauty world has to offer, and to thank you for all your support, we're treating you to some truly gorgeous gifts. And a true style, we aren't claiming one day as our birthday, but instead we're taking the whole month. Thank you very much. I do too. Which means that all of our Roccabox lovelies are in for a month of presents. So what have we got in store for you? 5 full-size products, a cult favourite, and a product that we promise will transform your makeup bag. Oh, I'm super excited. Okay, I'm just going to grab things now. First up, I've got a kawaii brush cleaner in the colour, in the style unicorn. Look at that. Holographic bitches. These are so good. I've got one of these and I really like mine, so yeah. This will go in a giveaway, by the way, because I do have one of these which I love. So let's have a look. Does it tell you anything about them? These are £7.99. One of Life's little dilemmas, squeaky clean makeup brushes, giving you good feels, and cleaning them can be annoying as fuck. It just says AF. I've just elaborated in case anybody doesn't know what AF means. As fuck. Enter this silicone brush cleaning egg, which makes it ridiculously easy. Wet said brush, add a little cleanser and sweep across. They are awesome, so yes. Next up we have got a Dr. Lip. What are you? Dr. Lip. Lips and glossy bits. Glossy bits. Let's have a look. I can't get it open. I can't get it open. Get out. Thank you. Oh, this is cute. This is really cute packaging, and it says Dr. Lip nipple balm. To be fair, when I was breastfeeding Ari, Lanaso, the nipple cream, I used to put that on my lips and it was amazing. This is a cult favourite for a reason. Luscious lips, baby soft skin, glossy lids, multi-purpose product that you need in your bag. This is a mini size and this is £4.99. So I'm super excited to try this. I love anything that's like a really nice luscious cream. And I am wanting to try some glossy eye looks, so this will definitely get used. We have got a Larizzi Cosmetics High Gloss Brilliant Gloss. I love the Larizzi packaging. It's just so simple but just looks amazing. So this is £12, formulated to an effortless high shine, this clear gloss. Let's get some of this on my face because I'm very matte. Oh, look how pretty that is. I'm going to completely bugger up this wand now because I've got lipstick on. Oh, that's pretty. And I have just dirtied up the wand already. That feels really nice. It's not sticky at all. I like that. Oh, yeah. Being weird. Next up, we've got another Larizzi product, and this is a lip pencil. This is full size. It's £13. Long wearing formula of the lip pencil means you can spend less time reapplying and more time doing whatever you're doing. What colour have we got? Bow. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. That's a really nice autumn colour. Really like that. And then the final product we've got is a ginormous fizzy berry from, look at this, look how cute is that packaging. And it says a Belu cream foam fizzy berry. What is it? A foam lotion. What do you do with this? Shake hand vigorously before use. Hold upright. Spread the gentle cream foam over your skin and allow it to work in. So it's like a lotion, but it's a foam. This is happening. This is never going to be a bad idea to do this on camera, is it? Oh, oh, oh. Okay, it just looks like mousse. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Good god, that smells lovely. Have I just done it wrong? Shake hand vigorously. Hold upright. No, I did do it right, it's fine. Oh, look, I've got green up here because I've been swatching crap this morning. Oh, I've gone too much. I've gone too much. Whoops. Got it on my top. This smells amazing. Oh, I like it. I need to rub it on my pyjamas though because I am in pyjamas. Just looks like I'm not, but I am. Okay, that's gone in. That feels amazing. Oh, I love that. Thank you. That's amazing. There's something else. Oh, you sneaky chickens. Look, looks like it's finished, but then that is Mahoosive. That's literally as big as my face. What is this? I saw this on here and I thought that's something little. I was expecting something tiny and it's, well, this is £6. This is a Makeup Academy and it is a colour correcting base wheel. That is so cool. So you've got the peach one, offsets dark circles, yellow brightens and conceals purple tones, light yellow brightens and conceals purple tones, green neutralises redness, blue neutralises sallow, yellow and orange tones, lilac lifts sallow and dull tones, rose brightens and adds radiance, and orange neutralises dark circles. That is so freaking cool. I cannot wait to try this. Get open. I need to look at you. Get open. I'm all like moisturising now. Get open. Get open. Thank you. How pretty is that? Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to try this. You are some sneaky chickens putting that underneath. Thank you so much, Roccabox. I'm like, this is amazing. So cool. I want to go and eat some cake now, which isn't good. But if you guys want to subscribe to Roccabox, I will link all their details down below. I will link their Instagram down below. And yeah, that... for £10 plus £3.95 a month, you need to get this because that is amazing. I'll add up. I'm going to try and add up now with my brain. What else would I use? So we've got 12, 13, 15, 20, 23, 30, £36 this is worth. All full size, apart from the Dr. Lip, but that's a mini, so it is a mini full size. But yeah, amazing. Thank you so much. If you like these kind of unboxing videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.